Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Umentri rang ba ka jila u Konrad sangma uloong ba ka jingbu iki Khyrdop pet benia iki brio bandrung ban mi ha ka jila kam deshu kamat ka ba kongsan Hynrei ka ba kham kongsan ka long ban pentre kam ya ka ban Talasi ban khmi benia uloong ba ka ba kongsan ka long ba don kita ki Rukom trekam Lyngba ka an ban pentre kam ban Pynkhlaiñ ya ka Rukom Talasi kumta uloong ba nakalyang ka sorkar ka kermen ba ka Mrssa amendment kan plelat ban le ya kani ban pentre kam khambha ya kata kaba nikwa Donkam ban Pynkhlaiñ ya ka Mrssa kabala day ban long ngidang pet benia ahalor kata bat kermen bakan long kababha laong u Konrad.
An entry exit checkpoint is not an issue. We can set it up today, we can set it up tomorrow. The question is about having a legal mechanism to implement and actually enforce a checking that should happen. So that's where the problem and the challenge is, and that's where we were hoping that the Mrssa amendment would then allow us to have that system in place. So putting up a gate is not an issue at all, but making it and enforcing it to check and what kind of checking takes place, that is a key issue. So opening up a gate tomorrow and having a person sitting there is not going to serve the purpose. So he's right in the sense that we will set up, but as I said, in order for it to become actually effective in the way that we would want it to be, it will require some work to be done, which is what the Mrssa amendment was supposed to be. We're working on it. Let's hope for the best. Thank you guys.